group quiz. All right. So number 3. Huh.
Hearing me?
Oh, yeah, I can kind of hear you. Go ahead and say something else.
No, just that I'm not quite as confident with these answers as I normally am.
Okay. Okay. I think equal. I think 3 is. I got C for 3. See if I can pull it up in the videos.
Look
here.
I don't remember seeing a true hypothesis anywhere.
True. Well, I took it from the point. Where was I? So I'm actually in the video because I find it a little bit faster than sorting through the book. If you'll notice, when it goes through any of the different tests, the one-sided or two-sided, if it's equal to the hypothesis, if it's equal, it says, okay. Go ahead and put in your headphones if you have them.
Mute the TV because you're the only one, the other one here.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So I don't remember there being a true hypothesis anywhere in the text.
Okay.
But I can.
You know what? I think I've got it brought up, so I can just look at it if you'd like me to.
Go ahead.
If there is a true hypothesis there.
You know what? You're right. It is the null. Because I'm thinking the null is true, not true. Anyway, that would be the null hypothesis. Yeah. 4A, 5, C, 6A, 7B, 8. I think 8 is B because it says failing to reject the null hypothesis. So
let me take a look. You said 8?
Yeah, I think it's B.
So usually, you know, the p-value, if it's less than 0.05, you reject it.
Right?
Yeah, so if it's less than, so
we're failing to reject it, so we're not rejecting it, we're keeping the null hypothesis.
Yeah, so it would be less than 0.05, right?
If I remember right, I think less than, if I remember what the null hypothesis or what the p-value is, I think the p-value is the percentage that
you know what you did will
that you're.
Yeah, so it needs
null
to be
hypothesis
greater than, in order to reject it, it needs to be greater than or equal to the sigma or whatever that is, right?
I thought it had to be less than alpha.
Okay, what's alpha?
Isn't that the squiggly A?
I guess so.
Unfortunately, I don't have an alpha key on my computer, which means that I'm actually going to have to
I
go
know,
through
right?
it and find it. Darn you, Greek alphabet.
I think there is a way to do it, but I don't know. It's beyond me.
Thing is, it would take longer to learn how to do it than to just do this the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, I totally agree.
Okay, so it's in 4.4.
Okay.
It says if the p-value is less than alpha, we reject the null.
We reject the null hypothesis.
It's less than alpha.
You're building, somebody's knocking on the door or something. So I think I was right on that one.
I think you are.
Okay.
Okay, I had that reversed for some reason.
Better now than on the test, right?
Yep. Yep. So that would mean 9.
What'd you say about 9?
So 9 then has to be a different answer. Yeah, I can hang on.
Okay.
So that would mean 9 needs to be B.
Yes.
Okay.
I must have clicked on A as I was scrolling by.
Oh, you're fine. Okay. 10.
What about 10?
I'm looking at 10.
Okay.
I put B, but I have a sneaking suspicion that it's C. So I think you're right. I wasn't totally confident in that. Because a null, an alternative hypothesis, does it have to be specific? That's my thought. Does it need to be greater than or less than? Or does it just have to not equal that?
An alternative hypothesis, so possible alternative hypothesis for this is B through D. Those are all possible alternative hypotheses.
The appropriate
The
alternate.
C is because it cut in the instructions, it says, and they are concerned that the true mean is higher than it actually is.
Okay. Okay, good call. Which of the following would be the 11?
No,
if I'm wrong, I agree with you, it's probably B.
A, 13, B, 14. Is the test statistic, I believe, is check here. Yeah, I believe the test statistic is A. So that'd be number 14.
I'm actually looking up right now exactly where the test specific is. It's in 4.2.
4.2? Okay.
And then, you maybe. So in 4.2 on the lesson, the second paragraph starts with test statistic.
I was
is the population mean
okay.
and the sample size.
Okay, I was looking at the equation. I was too quick to put in. Yeah. All right. -15, -0.9. 16. Uh, 16, 17. So, 19. 10.
What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
21.
Okay.
Okay.
So you agree with me on all the other ones?
I got a different answer on one of them, but I'm not positive. I'm gonna. So how did you get 16? Because I'm pretty sure I did it wrong.
Let me take a look.
Yeah.
Score from the previous question. Okay, so what I did was I took
Mm-hmm.
negative took 0.9, put it in the probability outlet.
I did that.
Applet. And then
I ended up using the outsides, but I'm not sure I'm right on choosing the outsides.
Okay. I think it's
Oh, the reason why I chose that is that so normally if it's 0.05 or whatever, that for it to be a small percentage, you would have to have
it be the outside, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one of the ones where I'm not
so sure about.
Okay. I thought it was just going to be the ones to the left because the hypothesis is that that she thinks that it's decreased. The average that she thinks the average is decreased. But that's my only reasoning.
My reasoning on why it's not just the left is because everywhere where you see Z-score, it talks about where everything is as extreme as.
Fair enough. I think I'm gonna err on that because I think that holds to reason better. Okay, I think that's everything. Do you want to submit or do you want me to?
You go ahead.
Okay.
Just so that we're not sitting here. Assuming we're right for too long. Otherwise,
only one we missed was 16. So it's a 95%. So do we want to try and work out 16?
Yeah, I figured that, it's
one that I felt
comfortable with, and I'm going to feel that you probably feel a little bit uncomfortable with it, so.
I'm thinking it might be 0.1841 because of that would be if you only highlighted the left portion.
You want me to put in 0.1841 and give it a go?
Yeah, if you'd like to. Well, it's 0.184. So if you'd like to, or if you're okay with doing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we walk out of here with a
95 instead of 100, I'm not going to cry too hard.
Me either. I honestly am not sure it's worth the effort to go through and retype all the answers. But I just like to know for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that it's worth the effort, because if we figure it out on our own as opposed to being told about it, we're more likely to remember it come test time.
No, I'm meaning to go back and have to fill in all the answers again.
Oh, yeah.
That's all.
Although last time I screwed up, and as I was going past the page, I actually clicked something, so I screwed up on one of the, got one question wrong, and actually had to go through and write them all up again.
I hate doing that. So
Pain in the
frustrating.
freaking rear.
Yeah.
Especially when it's going this quick.
Yeah.
I don't know. If we
Been able to do the quiz prior, I still would have shown up just to get the
Answers.
to make sure that I had the right answers for when I tried to do it.
Yeah, I would too. I think I'll talk to her next time and recommend that. Kind of dark in here. Got dark all of a sudden.
Oh, you're right.
Oh,
100%.
100%.
cool. All right. Well, I'm thinking we'll probably convene again next Tuesday if you're cool with that.
Cool.
Cool.
All right, man. Well, have a good one.